Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video of LeetCode playlist, and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 88, which is called a merge sorted array. In this problem we have given two sorted arrays. First is nums1 and second is nums2. The array nums1 has size of n plus n, where the n of last position are empty and reserved elements from the nums2. Okay. So basically, this is the first array, and then n equals to 3, and this is the second array, and then n equals to 3. And we have to find the merge of this both the array, which returns the size of array is equals to n plus n, means the size of array is 6. Okay. So first of all, let's move to the code. So will create a variable name in I equals to n minus 1. Second is in j equals to n minus 1, and third is for sorted array, merged array, is equals to n plus n minus 1. Yes, then we will run the while loop with the condition I is greater than or equals to 0 and j is greater than or equals to 0. Then we apply the if condition when the nums1 I is greater than num2 of j, then return nums1 k equals to nums1 of I. Okay, and I minus minus. This is for the first array, like nums1. If the all the elements from the nums1 from the left to right are greater than the nums2, then it will decrement of I. Yes, as num1 of k equals to nums2 of k, sorry, j, then we'll do decrement of j. And at the end, decrement of k means the merged area of decrement. Yes, and outside this while loop, we we'll run another value with the condition if j greater than 0. When j is greater than 0, then nums of 1 k equals to nums2 of j, and j minus 1 k minus minus. Okay, so basically this is the code. Let's check this code. Okay, there is a small mistake. Nums minus 1 k. Okay, nums here. Let's check it. Okay, you can clear all the test cases which are passed successfully. Thank you.